This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the flange. Position a suitable container beneath the engine sump. Using an Allen key or bit, unscrew the sump drain plug and allow the oil to drain into the container. Clean the sump plug and renew the sealing washer. Mop up any spilled oil, then refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Reposition the container under the front of the engine and place absorbent rags around the oil filter housing. Using a suitable socket, slacken and remove the oil filter cap along with the filter element. Tap the filter cap to release the element. Remove the sealing ring and clean the filter cap. Fit the new sealing ring into the groove in the cap. Press the new element firmly into the cap. Lubricate the sealing rings with a little clean engine oil. Insert the cap and element into the housing, then tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a funnel to minimise spillage, add the correct grade of oil to the engine. Add the oil a little at a time, checking the level on the dipstick frequently. Bring the oil level up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Check for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a few seconds delay before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is started, as the oil circulates through the engine oil galleries and the new oil filter before the pressure builds up. Stop the engine and recheck the oil level. If necessary, remove the filler cap and top the oil up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Securely refit the filler cap and reinsert the dipstick. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.